Hi, and welcome to the last letter of the alphabet in Leadership A to Z, which obviously means it must be Z. Z is for zealous, and I actually probably should have looked up the official definition of zealous before I started recording this, but I'm going to forge onward without that because for me, what I mean when I talk about it as a leadership characteristic is that if you want to grow your leadership skills, and if you want to grow your leadership career and be successful in whatever ways success means for you, not somebody else's definition, for you, then you need to be zealous about continuing to learn. We have come to the end of this series. But that doesn't mean that your journey of leadership, clearly, I hope it doesn't mean that your journey of leadership learning has come to an end. There are ways of continuing to use this series. There are ways, other things that I offer in terms of programs that you can take to develop your leadership. You can continue to read my blog. You can read books on leadership. You can find yourself mentors, and I do want to say that that is plural, mentors, not just one. You need multiple. You can hire coaches. There are many, many, many ways that you can continue the journey of learning about leadership and about how your career can continue to advance in ways that are meaningful to you and that give you a sense of fulfillment and accomplishment. But if you are not zealous in pursuing those options, if you sit back and wait for it to come to you, if you wait even for your employer or employers to offer you opportunities, great if that happens, but you need to be zealous and persistent in finding your own opportunities, in finding ways to continue to learn and grow and develop as a human being and as a leader. And that's why Zealous really wraps this whole program up very nicely, because it's an invitation to keep going. Even though these Leadership A to Z videos are at an end, because we have hit the end of the alphabet, there are still so many opportunities for you to take your leadership journey forward and become a truly inspiring leader for your employees, your followers, your colleagues, your family, your community, wherever it is. And really, it's through all of life that you display your ever-growing leadership skills. Good luck on your leadership journey, and I hope that you will continue to follow what I offer and take advantage of all of it.